DJI Mavic Mini. 4 reasons you should consider this drone. Got that coming up next. Now, since the news broke regarding the FCC filing for the DJI Mavic Mini, it's caused a considerable amount of discussion in the drone community. Now, I've been getting a number of questions from my viewers and subscribers. Chief among them is, Bill, why should I buy a DJI Mavic Mini? So what I thought I'd like to do would be to sit down and list 4 reasons why I feel you should consider a DJI Mavic Mini. Let's just jump right into it. Number 1. It's under 250 grams. Now, as most of you are aware of, a drone that's under 250 grams here in the United States of America, it eliminates the need to register the drone with the FAA, which will save you $5. However, you still have to abide by all the rules and regulations established by the FAA for flying drones. Now, in other countries, being under 250 grams makes it much easier to fly your drone. Now, here's a portion of one of the rules up in Canada. Quote, drone pilots must carry a valid drone pilot certificate and only fly drones that are marked and registered. If you are flying a drone that is less than 250 grams, you do not need to register the drone or get a drone pilot certificate. This is from the Canadian government website, and I'll provide a link in the description for that. Now, please check the rules, regulations, and applicable laws in your country for drones under 250 grams. Now, number 2, affordable. Now, we all know tariffs have had an incredible effect on drones, and they've increased drone prices across the board, not just DJI, but all drones manufactured over in China. Now, it's put a lot of them out of reach of consumers. Now, the DJI Mavic Mini is coming in at an estimated $399 USD base price, makes this drone a truly affordable option for most consumers. Number 3. Featurepacked. Now, the DJI Mavic Mini is reported to have a camera which shoots 12 megapixel stills and 4K 30 frames per second video. It has a reported range of 3.1 miles, 5 kilometers, using OcuSync. It has obstacle avoidance, and it's extremely portable. Now, number 4, dependable. Now, the DJI Mavic Mini is made by arguably the best consumer drone company and the largest consumer drone company in the world, DJI. And they back their drones with a 1-year warranty. And as far as information on their warranties, please see DJI's website for complete information on this. Question of the day. Is the DJI Mavic Mini a drone you will consider to purchase? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.